Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I go out to eat a lot. I am kind of a foodie. I love food. My friend Amy recommended Chef's Plate. It's a bunch of recipes. They send you everything you need to your door. So I have a bunch of ingredients in my fridge. We can take a look if you want. So I got it delivered, came in a big box, and this is what I've got to work with. So I think each bag is one recipe. We ordered 4 recipes. Today I thought you could come along as I tried to cook this turkey meatball marinara and Parmesan Orzo with crispy snap peas and green beans. This is my first experience trying out Chef's Plate, so I thought it would be fun if we could go on this journey. So let's see how easy this is to cook, and most importantly, how yummy it is after. Yeah, let's get cooking. Okay, so first Chef's Plate recipe, I guess, is done. I'm excited to try this. The instructions weren't quite as easy to follow along as I would have hoped that they would be, but still, I got it done. It was still rather simple. Let's see how this tastes. Okay. It's actually pretty good. I think I would spring for this again. Maybe not like this particular recipe, but no, it's good. So I'm going to enjoy dinner. Thank you so much for following me, and until next time, bye.